actually come to a technology university that is 100 years old now. And now I'm back here in Mektori, which is also part of the university. It's an innovation and entrepreneurship center. So I'm back here to run the startup programs for students and for everybody that is interested in student cooperation. So we are in a university. Of course, it's open for every university student that wants to have a meeting here with the company, that wants to use our prototyping lab or to use any kind of facilities that we have to offer. Right now we are in the conference floor and we have other computer classes and also e-showroom in the upper floors. And for students it's for free. We have many facilities for the companies, having meetings here, having conferences here. We are dealing with students and we are dealing with companies. For the students we have the startup program and also startup competition. We call it the pre-incubator. It gives student possibility for 3 months to go through the very usual startup program. And if they succeed, then in the campus we also have Tehnopol that has an incubation for the companies. So if they have already registered the company, then Tehnopol is waiting for them. And for the companies we offer cooperation between students and also cooperation between scientists. So coming here, it's possible for the companies to work together with students. Most of startup activities in here start with hackathons. There are hackathons that are only for one day, but it can be that we have students here for the whole weekend. So we have a nice program called Starter, where companies can present again their challenges and students can offer their solutions with their own startups. Prototron is together with Tehnopol, Tallinn City and TalTech University. So it's a fund for the startups and spin-offs and also university employees for their companies to prototype their ideas. So recently we had a new batch of ideas and today we are having 40 of them as selected ones in the seminar. Mektori wants to be close to students, especially technology students, and having this prototype downstairs it gives us many opportunities, but at the same time we are missing this kind of co-working space where we could we could have our student formula, where we could have the self-driving car and other projects that students have. So our next idea is to have this kind of real prototyping center with a co-working space.